This is Renee Romeo of ReneeRomeo.com. Today I'm introducing a new category called Life 101. Think of it as like a home ec class that you never had, or if you did have it, I'm actually showing you tips and tricks that make all of those things that you learned when you were little even easier and better. So please join me. Today my very first project is how to boil the very perfect egg. And I'm starting off with a medium saucepan full of filtered water, minus about 1.5 inches on the top, just so I can accommodate enough space for the eggs. And the eggs that I'm using are organic and they're local. Anytime you can find that, I always recommend it, especially if you're using a soft-boiled egg, because it doesn't get quite hot enough in the middle in case there's salmonella issues. So what I'm doing at this point, I'm taking the raw eggs and I'm putting them into the water. And I'm going to be making 3 different types. So there will be a soft-boiled egg, a medium-boiled egg, and a hard-boiled egg. So I've turned the heat on high, and I'm just adding to the water 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Now baking soda is going to allow these eggs to be peeled easily, and that's really one of the secrets that I'm using today. My other secret weapon is called the Egg Perfect Egg Timer from Norpro. I use this all the time for boiling eggs, and I'm just going to place it in the room temperature water, and this is really wonderful because I do this without getting burned. This is room temperature, so this is great for those of you that have never done this before and are worried about burning yourselves. You don't have to worry about that with this product. So this product actually will sense the amount of water, the amount of eggs, and if you're in a high altitude situation, it'll even adjust for that. So what this little mechanism does is it changes color as the water heats up. Now at this point, it's just starting to heat up, so we're seeing a little bit of bubbling. We really want this to come to a rolling boil. So you'll see the egg timer has turned burgundy along the edges, and it's now ready as a soft boiled egg. So I have this great spaghetti spoon. It actually works out really well for pulling out eggs. It's the same exact size, and you should get one of these too if you're doing this more often. And I've placed it straight into a bath of ice water, and that's just going to cool it down enough where I can handle it. So the soft-boiled egg has been cooling for about 30 seconds in the ice water, and I'm just taking a small spoon here, and you'll notice I'm doing this on the larger end of the egg. It's a little easier because there's a little air pocket in here, so you can kind of get in and underneath without creating too much of a problem here with destroying the egg itself. So you'll see it's peeling pretty nicely. So you'll see I'm just cleaning it up, and then I can take my spoon, put it in the little egg cup, and I've got a beautifully soft boiled egg. And you can see that timer is now on medium, so I'll pull out the second egg and put it in the ice water bath. Here's the medium boiled egg. Beautiful, perfect. And we'll just cut this in half. Gorgeous. Beautiful, medium boiled egg. And that's what the egg timer looks like when it's a hard boiled egg. So this is ready to go, and I'm pulling this out and putting this one in the ice bath. So I'm just going to pull that out, go ahead and peel it, and just show you how beautiful this looks on the inside. And look how easily this comes off. It's just perfect, and I'm going to show you how it slices up just beautifully. And this has been cooling for about 3 minutes. Doesn't take that long, and it makes just a gorgeous presentation on your plate. Beautiful, light yellow, perfectly hard-boiled egg. So there you have it. Soft-boiled egg, medium-boiled egg, hard-boiled egg. It's the Egg Perfect Egg Timer, and it has little lines, whether it's a hard-boiled egg, a medium-boiled egg, or a soft-boiled egg. Every time it reaches one of those lines, you'll know that egg is perfectly done to your specifications. And you know the best part of learning how to boil the perfect egg is that you have a fast, inexpensive, and nutritious meal waiting for you. This is really, really a great way to go, especially if you're new to cooking. This is a really easy meal to make. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this, and I hope you enjoyed the new category, because I think this is really going to save a lot of people a lot of time. This is Renee Romeo of ReneeRomeo.com. Please like, share, subscribe, and more importantly, comment below and let me know what you think of this project because I'd love to bring you more of these in the future.